Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a rich tomato stew with touch of vegetables. So stay with me because I'll show you a few simple tips that make all the difference. Now for the flavor base, I'm using natural spice. This is fresh garlic and ginger, curry powder, dried shallots, my natural rosemary and thyme spice blend, freshly ground nutmeg, and Sonia tomato paste for a beautiful thick texture. Into a small plate, I'll add 1 tablespoon of my rosemary and thyme spice blend, half a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and 2.5 tablespoons of dried shallots. Mix everything together and set aside. Next, heat some vegetable oil in a pan. Once it's nice and hot, add the sliced onions. Add the crushed garlic and ginger. Stir for about a minute to release all those amazing flavors. Next goes in the natural spice blend. Stir it briefly in the oil to wake up all those wonderful aromas. Now pour in the tomato mixture and stir well. Add 1 sachet of Sonia tomato paste. Then continue frying, stirring occasionally until the oil separates from the tomatoes. Don't rush the step. It's the secret to a deeply flavored and delicious tomato stew. Once the tomato is perfectly fried, transfer into the stew pot, leaving some of the oil behind in the pan. This is one of my favorite tricks for making a delicious stew that is rich in flavor without being overly oily. Next, pour in the meat stock. Add your seasoning powder and stir everything together until well combined. Now let's add the veggies. I'll start with the green beans. Cover the pot and let them cook for about 2 minutes so they soften slightly. Next goes in the green pepper, followed by carrots. Give everything a gentle stir. Finally, add the fried beef and give everything one last stir. And there you have it. Our tomato stew is ready. Thick, rich, packed with flavor, loaded with colorful vegetables and tender beef, made with just the right amount of oil. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next recipe. Until then, keep cooking and stay blessed.